Check out my Greenstar Elite juicer. These are all the parts that it comes with. I'm gonna set it up and show you how it works. You need these twin gears. Once you get those gears in, you wanna put this guy on. It fits on really snug there. Next, you put on these filters. I'm gonna use the smallest strain filter that gets you the most juice. There's also a thicker one for pulp. This one's for breadsticks. Let me see what this one's for. It says it's a homogenizing screen. Then you put this guy on, then you put these little plastic prongs and close it. Really easy. If this isn't on, the juicer won't go. It's a safety feature. Put that guy on. The juice comes out here into this little dish. Let's talk about this guy. You spin it in here. The tighter you go, the more pressure it's gonna have on the fruits and veggies, and so you'll get a more dry pulp that comes out here and more juice that comes out here. However, if you've got a fruit that's really juicy and needs a little bit less pressure, like raspberries or peach, you wanna lighten up on the twist so that you get as much of that juice in here. This is what you use to clean. You definitely need this. I use it to clean the strainer and a lot of the other parts of this system. This is a very helpful tool that it comes with. These two items it comes with, this one pushes the main stuff down, and then this one gets in there, it's a little skinnier. It goes in really nice and deep, and it can get anything that's stuck, even while it's running. I bought this after doing tons of research. I'm gonna turn it on, my fruits and veggies. Here's my juice, and it's very green because I added a lot of greens. It's pretty smooth, there's no chunks. Tastes really good, really healthy. This is the triturturating juicer, the Greenstar Elite. I've had this thing for years. It works really well. It's also really easy to clean. Same way you put it together, you just take everything off. You got this in here. You gotta scrub it with that brush, which is pretty easy. Love it. I store it in our kitchen and use it frequently. Love this juicer.